Hello, welcome back. I will discuss evolution of human language, origin and evolution of language. To ask where language comes from is to raise the question of the origin of the cognitively modern human mind. The evolution of modern human language required both the development of anatomical apparatus for speech and also neurological changes in the brain to support language itself. But other species have some of these capabilities without full language ability. Evolution of human language. Language is a sophisticated communication system that includes vocabulary or lexicon as well as a set of rules or grammar outlining its proper use. Evolution of language occurred simultaneously. Human evolution, specifically brain size. Brain grew and transformed, became organized, allowed humans to think abstractly and exchange information. Major changes began 1.8 million years ago. Broca's area. Speech control. Language. Properties of language. Human language. Animal language. Major characteristics. Language features. According to Fitch 2000 proposed the mother tongue hypothesis, explaining the language evolved originally for communication between mothers and their biological progeny. Evolution of the complex structure of human language. Brain evolution. Process of brain evolution. Benefits of tools and brain evolution. Explaining the origin of human language. Before human language, hyperactivity, impulsiveness and aggressiveness. Social cohesion and intelligence. Relationship between animal intelligence, self-consciousness and social structure. Natural selection of infant, helplessness and self-consciousness. Language. Evolution of language, cultural evolution, cultural transmission. According to the biological model, language evolution is a matter of biological evolution of organisms that is part of natural evolution. The evolution or diachronic of language evolution. Charles Darwin pointed out that the formation of different languages and of distinct species are curiously parallel. Evolution of language, geological time, historical time, biological evolution, linguistic change. Cosmologic reasoning. We can deduce that the universe was less expanded in the past, and given sufficient retrospective time, we can postulate that all matters was condensed as a point from which it initially began its expansion. This is, of course, the Big Bang theory, the generally accepted explanation of the origin of the universe as we know it. I wish you all the best. Stay safe. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.